Hello! Today I will be explaining the two-way platforms that I implemented. First, a demonstration. So in order to drop down from a platform, you simply press the S key or the down arrow key, or if you're on a controller or gamepad, press the left stick down. I'm currently using an Xbox 360 controller. I haven't tested with other types of controllers. Hopefully the gamepad takes care of all that. Further testing is needed. So, in order for a platform to be two-way, all we have to do is attach this script pass-through platform onto the platform object. Thankfully, we can access all the platforms through this tile map here, and just attach the script to that. Opening up the script, here is the code. I referenced and cited this video that I watched to learn how to implement two-way platforms. Here are a couple of variables. We have a variable for collider, a boolean on ground, which is a check to see if the player is on the ground, a ground layer, collision radius, and bottom offset, which are all used and passed into overlap circle to check whether the player is on the ground. I took this from the existing player wall check script right here. Within the update function, there's an if statement checking if the player is on the ground and they enter either the down arrow key or the S key on the keyboard or the left stick down on the gamepad. Then we will disable the collider and start a coroutine to enable the collider after a couple of seconds. Here's that function, enable collider. Wait for a couple seconds and re-enable the collider. Finally, we have these last three functions here. Set player on platform is essentially a setter for the on ground variable. This line here grabs the player, grabs any component that exists. In my case, I chose to grab the player movement script. And then check if the player is not null, then we can set the on ground value to whatever we pass into this function. And this set player on platform is called on collision enter 2D and on collision exit 2D. In my case, I'm a little confused on how this works because I don't see these functions being called anywhere, but I believe this script and this feature doesn't work unless these three functions are here. I think this is a Unity built-in function, but I guess we don't need to explicitly call it. Yeah, now that I think about it, it does look different. This is blue and this is yellow in the editor, so that's just a fault on my end. But yeah, that is the script here for that. And that's how the two-way platform is implemented. Thank you.